Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. XRP in the hands of SEC versus Ripple court filings and FTX news updates following a bearish Wednesday. XRP was under pressure this morning. SEC versus Ripple updates and Sam Bankman-Fried will be areas of interest. On Wednesday, XRP tracked the broader crypto market into the red, falling by 1.12%. Regulatory risk and uncertainty toward the outcome of the SEC versus Ripple case pegged XRP back. The technical indicators remain bearish, with XRP sitting below the 50-day EMA, supporting a near-term decline to 30 cents. On Wednesday, XRP fell by 1.12%. Partially reversing a 2.84% rally from Tuesday, XRP ended the day at $0.34469. XRP ended the day at sub-35 cents for the fourth consecutive day. A mixed start to the day saw XRP rise to an early morning high of $0.35020. However, coming up short of the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.3557, XRP fell to a mid-morning low of $0.33733. XRP fell through the first major support level, S1, at $0.3389 before finding afternoon support to end the day at $0.34469. Investors ready for the next court filings and SBF testimony. There were no updates from the ongoing SEC versus Ripple to draw investor interest ahead of today's court filings. By today, the parties must file omnibus motions to seal all materials relating to the summary judgment motions and redactions to the materials. However, investors are awaiting court decisions on the motions for summary judgment and motions to exclude expert testimony. A court ruling on the motions for summary judgment would be the material ruling, which could come at any time. Uncertainty towards the outcome of the SEC versus Ripple case has left XRP on the back foot, with sub-30 cents in view. While investors await the court rulings, XRP continues to find direction from the broader crypto market, though the uncertainty has capped the upside. On Wednesday, news updates on the extradition of Sam Bankman-Fried weighed on investor appetite. SBF testimony could fuel lawmakers' calls for more stringent regulations and a closer look at Binance. Today, investors need to continue monitoring updates from the SEC versus Ripple case and any SBF commentary. U.S. economic indicators will also draw interest, with Q3 GDP and jobless claims in focus. U.S. stats and corporate earnings on Wednesday may have eased fears of a hard landing. However, recessionary fears and a hawkish Fed remain crypto headwinds alongside regulatory risk. XRP price action at the time of writing, XRP was down 0.79% to 34,195. A mixed start to the day saw XRP rise to an early high of 0.34707 before falling to a low of 0.34167. Technical indicators XRP needs to move through the 0.3441 pivot to target the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.3508. A move through the Wednesday high of $0.3502 and R1 would signal a bullish session. In the case of an extended rally, the second major resistance level, R2, at 0.3569 and 36 cents would likely come into play. The third major resistance level, R3, sits at $0.3698. Failure to move through the pivot would leave the first major support level, S1, at $0.3379 in play. However, barring an extended sell-off, XRP should avoid sub-33 cents. The second major support level, S2, at 0.3312 should limit the downside. The third major support level, S3, sits at $0.3183. Without updates from the SEC versus Ripple case, XRP will likely sit in the hands of the broader crypto market and the crypto newswires. XRP price prediction. Bearish continuation below 0.33 seems likely. Ripple is consolidating below the 35 cents resistance zone against the US dollar. XRP price could extend its decline if there is no recovery wave above the 35 cents barrier. Ripple is currently consolidating below the 35 cents and $0.365 levels against the US dollar. The price is now trading below $0.365 and the 100 simple moving average, 4 hours. There is a key bearish trend line forming with resistance near $0.3480 on the 4 hours chart of the XRP, USD pair, data source from Kraken. The pair could start a decent recovery if it clears the $0.350 resistance zone. Ripple price faces resistance after struggling to clear the 40 cents resistance. Ripple's XRP started a fresh decline against the US dollar. The price dropped below the $0.380 and $0.365 support levels to move into a bearish zone. The price gained pace below the 35 cents support and settled below the 100 simple moving average, 4 hours. The bulls finally appeared near the $0.332 level. The low is formed near $0.3321 and the price is now consolidating losses, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum. XRP price climbed a few points above the $0.340 level. An immediate resistance is near the $0.350 zone. There is also a key bearish trend line forming with resistance near $0.3480 on the 4 hours chart of the XRP, USD pair. The trend line is close to the 23.6% fib retracement level of the downward move from the $0.3968 swing high to $0.3321 low. A successful break above the $0.350 resistance might send the price towards the $0.365 resistance. It is close to the 50% fib retracement level of the downward move from the $0.3968 swing high to $0.3321 low. The next key resistance is near the $0.372 level and 100 simple moving average, 4 hours. Any more gains might send the price towards the 40 cents level in the coming days. More downsides in XRP? If Ripple fails to clear the $0.350 resistance zone, it could continue to move down. An initial support on the downside is near the $0.340 level. 5 key dates to note as SEC versus Ripple case approaches the end. Attorney James K. Phelan shared a scheduling update for the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission versus Ripple case in a tweet, revealing 5 crucial dates to note as the case nears its end. The scheduling update comes as both parties requested an extension to file Daubert motions publicly on Tuesday. Notably, today, December 22, both parties will file omnibus motions to seal materials relating to motions for summary judgment. The court also expects both parties to file redactions to the materials above simultaneously. Meanwhile, the court has set January 4 as the deadline for third parties to request to seal materials related to summary judgment motions. Failure to do so by the set deadline means these parties have waived the right, Phelan explains. On January 9, 2023, the court expects both parties to file responses to the omnibus motions filed on December 22. Per their request on Tuesday, both parties will publicly file Daubert motions to exclude expert testimony on January 13. Finally, on January 18, the court expects all parties to file responses to the third-party motions to seal materials related to summary judgment. In response to the latest scheduling update, XRP supporters have expressed excitement as the end of the 2-year-long legal battle approaches. At JXRP2 says, "Finally, the lawsuit finds an end soon. Thanks, Phelan Law, for your hard work." Notably, the schedule is still subject to change and has been changed severally throughout the case. Remarkably, today makes it exactly 2 years since the SEC filed its complaint against Ripple and its executives, alleging the offer and sale of an unregistered security. Phelan predicts that Judge Annalisa Torres will give her summary judgment ruling in Q1 2023. On Tuesday, Judge Torres granted Ripple's Daubert motions while partly denying the SEC. Ripple CEO claims Wells Fargo scandal deserves more attention. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has tweeted an FTX-related meme Wednesday, showing DC Comics superhero Batman slapping his protege Robin. Robin's caption reads, "But Wells Fargo illegal activity," while Batman's response is a vehement, "We only care about FTX." Garlinghouse commented alongside the meme, expressing frustration that a recent record-breaking fine levied against Wells Fargo for its years-long mistreatment of customers was not met with a level of outrage as the FTX scandal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.